Connecting rod. The connecting rod is the part of a piston engine that connects the piston to the crankshaft. The connecting rod along with the crank converts the reciprocating motion of the piston into the rotation of the crankshaft. The connecting rod is needed to transmit compression and tensile forces from the piston in its most common form. In an internal combustion engine, it allows pivoting at the piston end and rotation at the shaft end. The predecessor of the connecting rod is a mechanical linkage used by water mills to convert the rotating motion of water facets into reliable motion. The most common use of a connecting rod is in an internal combustion engine or a steam engine. Materials. To obtain minimal weight and high strength, connecting rods are made of the following materials: microalloyed steels, sintered metals, high-grade aluminum, CFRP and titanium for high-performance engines.